Meaning some emfa amount.
Original.
Na unim say me buy a story about Solomon Agbasi. Solomon Agbasi. Or a goalkeeper. Maminkani, not or a goalkeeper at the Continental Club Masters. Glorious Accra Hatterfolk. Agbasi contract na almost or sign. In the course of last season, me by catch say the contract no one sign a professional contract with Accra Hatterfolk. The GFA allowed say obet me assign a contract be omo frɛ no amateur contract. And no be the house any Solomon Agbasi assign here.
Okay.
Agbasi ko PM our Black Stars camp even though 26 players had to work up no one count. Kabiru Masendo Adebi. Exactly 2 weeks ago. And I'm back at you say report amate from Black Stars camp. And they say Asante Kotoko, Mediama Sporting Club. Omania Bresombe for Solomon Agbasi and na free Accra as folk asye. Sa story no any two we am the two Pepe Suarez media no 2 weeks ago.
Wow.
Fie ya na story no. Agbasi Solomon Agbasi to Asante Kotoko.
Asante Kotoko.
Any
Black Stars.
82 weeks now update about my catch a story near ya dear chile. Near room near for update in Adiaba.
Original.
Everything you need to know about Solomon Agbasi. On the house of Westia and command call saying, there are some who catch a bidiema. On the common to saying, you and her at your mammy, my story for crab Japan. Masoriaco. I wish your pennies of a jump.
Richard Pepe shall raise the fellow.
It is Solomon Agbasi. No question say emprem no ka say. Only had to fuck any contract.
Okay.
Emprem. In fact, uni ma dear ma Solomon Agbasi asem no. Me hu ni yie pa. If Agbasi had gone to the World Cup, nanka club side be hye nim say oni club.
Ti say FIFA sika nka be ko ha.
Eti sa sika nka has enya.
Wow.
The amount between 200 and 250 70 no has benya on goalkeeper Benjamin Asare no Agbasi enka has enya sika no
okay
em fa free o na no na mani ko boss so mu say anioma na mo submit o man submit Agbasi as Hatterfolk goalkeeper. Then I called somebody within the ranks of Hatterfolk and any pan confirm am say I goalie no agreement no in fact that day we buy na check akra. I called omo mo registration ho adwuma e Ghana na omo kire say GFA no ema omo an open window bi to register some players as amateur. And tenanti kura na be say ema Solomon Agbasi sika has the man e wo form papa.
Ooh.
E wo form pa. But here ka say dey a free agent.
Okay.
Agbasi a free agent as we speak. Has for NJ mu say a free agent di onko. Hatterfolk and they are technical director, even though I'm not confirm here. I open anything at the Abubakar Ouattara. Nebra Abubakar Ouattara and the board chairman of Hatterfolk. The sole bankroller of Hatterfolk is here. Okachan says, Omuma, ono Ejumana, ono Ouattara, Omo Ejumana. Oba convince Solomon Agbasi amnesty.
Wow.
Obama branch and the Kevin says I extending the contract. Now ama David Opamfrani I extending the contract. We and your ma Okachan pay for so bit my a day among. I'm the person example.
Richard Pepe shall raise the fellow.
Solomon Agbasi and he has a share on a medium share on a Kotoko dinkomo and common in ye.
Wow.
Hatterfolk Solomon Agbasi akacho mo say obetimi assign a professional contract with the Phobians. But Ajise has assured say obey number 1 goalkeeper of Accra Hatterfolk.
Ooh.
Solomon Agbasi communicated the same thing and the actual Kotoko any medium say what obesane dia ma obiano. The agreement and the arrangement is that he is coming in as the number 1 goalkeeper. So oba predia yem progressive discussion and kwanim.
Okay.
Abushaya can say phobia hands are tied. Hearts were goalkeeper or your Black Stars #1.
A World player.
Benjamin Asare.
Yes.
Benjamin Asare, the contract was as a folk, Benjamin Asare, can say has any team and famano. Adia has a folk, I try some men and commit to a club. No more Tom Benasare. Any Nanka, go post num Ababedaho. Ade Ama, a branch of the thing at the Solomon, Agbasi, so man #1 goalkeeper, and for the Continental Club as his name, as we speak, Sabre, Amino Kasei, and Yadia has any deal at the Ama goalkeeper Benjamin Asare. Hats of folk any agents bebre edin komo. Wamo any football agencies bebre edin komo. So mo hwe se World Cup no win for no. E betumi cover Solomon Agbasi ana. Na cover Agbasi a eno betumi boa amomanya deal. Ade ama no ama Asare. Nanka Agbasi abeye the second choice. Eno aye #1. Abuja Prince Amejampo.
Felaman.
Abuja Prince Amejampo.
Pepe sorry.
Assembly esi or Black Stars camp. Nipa titiri ba kwa or Black Stars technical team nemu. Ekache Solomon Agbasi say oye goalkeeper no what playing timer. And ka 3 goalkeepers are submitted them FIFA no. And kono Solomon Agbasi kadi di bebe.
Wow.
Let me take it again. A prominent person within the Black Stars technical team
The original Felaman
spoke to Solomon Agbasi and told Solomon Agbasi say, if or a goalkeeper or what playing time or enjoy playing time, and ka 3 goalkeepers na no submit yama FIFA no, based on training no mo sha se koya ya branch area no. After playing come Solomon Agbasi din ebeka 3 no.
fantastic.
Me hu say Kabiru ayi trikeka ayi Joseph Tatana na trikeka no. But now Demon paying for to name a goalkeeper or your assistant goalkeeper to the same goalkeeper no so call World Cup no. Na a demon. And tisa seven penny na catch Solomon Agbasi no. Ama Solomon Agbasi decided say he wants to be a #1 goalkeeper. In fact, Solomon Agbasi is penny are ready to even sign for a mid-table team in the league to be a #1 goalkeeper. Playing time because Black Stars, you know, ever assemble just in September. Na enkomana e course one. Na Black Stars technical team is train. A man branch in the camp, no, I am convinced. So if they are able to secure a club where he will be the #1 goalkeeper, then chances say Solomon Agbasi obetumi enya Black Stars team numawura. Now, for a 23-man squad, 24-man squad, 25, 26, or by a member of the penny so Solomon Agbasi is looking for playing time. Now, this is what Solomon Agbasi and the family they feel.
Nice one. If
Solomon Agbasi ebenya #1 sport, I had to focus the penny on team bia. Solomon Agbasi. So ebenya playing times I had to focus any team of first 11 on the Jinema. Unconsidered him bia. He is not saying say I'm Pam Benjamin Asare. Amanenko. On case when him go that Benjamin Asare. Name him ojini this one also ohiasa oda promo. At Dreams as your Ginidin. He feels that Mediama platform near a big platform of Japan. And Mediama come back to Africa. He's played in the CAF Confederations Cup. Imagine as a top goalkeeper in the CAF Confederations Cup. Mediama Kobo CAF Champions League. Solomon Agbasi in the camp, Felisa. Sombenya Mediama platform in the CAF Champions League. It is a platform that will propel the goalkeeper into the Black Stars and at the never higher height. This is conversation with Japan. Akoso was Solomon Agbasi, the camp, and at Medi Emma Yen a team for near Hereford. I'm the person
original.
Now, Mami Engra Hanamin Kai will say, Asante Kotoko coach. I'm friendly coach. Kotoko football director.
Director of football.
Stanley Menzo. Kotoko ni sɛ ɔmo bɛ di nkɔmɔ na ɔmo ankasa nyi ɔmo ni mpanyinfoɔ no ɔmo de soma fa nkyɛnkyɛn saa na yɛ bɔ na obi abɛ test waters na hɛ so ɔmo hɛ na sɛ interest ni hɔ nipa no so na ɔmo agye yɛ wɔni but ɔmo test waters na sɛ nneɛma yɛ a na afei mpanyinfoɔ no ɛyi ɔmo anim mene wo kasa yi Stanley ahwɛ videos of Solomon Agbasi na Kotoko director of football aba into conclusion sɛ aberanteɛ no can be of help going forward ni age ne san so ɛyɛ paa
Wow.
Agbasi age ne mtapanyi ɛsan so ɛyɛ paa ti Asante Kotoko football director ɔno ahwɛ videos of Solomon Agbasi ɛna wa conclude sɛ Solomon Agbasi no obetumi ayɛ helpful to the cause of Asante Kotoko going forward. Now the ball is in the court of Asante Kotoko. Say on decide say Solomon Agbasi ba on the playing time now open at the man and at Kotoko Solomon Agbasi will be the starter at Asante Kotoko.
The camera, the first choice is gone.
Yeah. Metuma catch us say Agbasi assign the man Asante Kotoko. Obey first choice. So Agbasi sign at the man Mediama for the ready to be the first choice goalkeeper. Especially Africa no more. They feel say omo ehia experience. Omo ehia goalkeeper or experience. No more than room. Omo Felicity. But they feel that Agbasi and Agbasi, I be a member of the Black Stars. The business side of it, 25-year-old goalkeeper, 25 years of penny. A year papa age in a year. 80 Solomon Agbasi about 10 games last season at the Continental Club Masses because now are second to the first choice goalkeeper Benjamin Asari. We the entire details. I freeze uncle Ebano and Abusia. My breaking that down.
The original fella man.
Young Quaid.
Pepe Suarez.
I'm the president of Jambo.
Richard Pepe Suarez, the fella man.
Asante Kotoko executive chairman. James Osei Brown. Joshop. Asante Kotoko director of football Stanley Menzo. Omone the potential Kotoko coach a meeting e phone so enra.
Woo.
Meeting ekoso. Nipa miensa mo ye meeting no. Stanley Menzo,
director of football.
Executive chairman James Osei Brown. The South African coach who could be named the Kotoko coach, eminent. The appointment here eminent, you know. And omu enya a lengthy discussion on phone.
Fantastic.
Via phone. And common be a chance here any ko ye inam de ma we penny.
Nice one.
The board chair was informed by the director of football say as a issues in Kitibi ewo Urano contract home. And they sought to iron out all outstanding issues related to the coming in of coach, you know. Coach in South Africa. Initially, now come somebody and an IAS product. I will free Netherlands and Eba. The demands no over and above Kotoko's budget.
Yeah.
To honor the eton chain. Stanley Menzo. South Africa yimatese. Why Juma ewo Holland crew, Netherlands crew mono. I want to training. And why Juma kakra ewo. I want and Stanley anymore. And a Stanley a contacting and rano. One more adding komo ewo phone so in a bid to iron out all outstanding issues. All issues are agreement no. And Kotoko's board chairman, our executive chairman, no. On a Kotoko's director of football. Any opinion edding koma. Abusia diametian say and yoma atutum. Etinyame adoma. Ya wada ebe. Ya expect Stanley any South African coach ni nyina no. Eba be piem. Wamo ba 2 days ombedi e won kran. Adwuma so bi e de omachi won kran be ya wie. Omo wie se adwuma na won kran na. Omo ebe dane omani aba Kumasi. Se Stanley Menzo nkoa beduru na Stanley Menzo nkoa hye preseason na se btapanyi. Kotoko emfa head coach emma. Asem we must repeat it ama.
Okay.
Kotoko started season without a coach for Stanley the needed qualification to lead Kotoko into the season. he will now lead Asante Kotoko. Maybe ho.
Nice.
The
original fella man, Richardo Pepe Suarez.
A Saturday knows a son of Macachos are branching in the other Claud shooting Bortey. Claud shooting Bortey. Now Claud shooting Bortey a defender, centre back.
Yeah.
Claud shooting Bortey, they didn't shoot in the Otabo shot of Fletchery. Now last is your bomb and Iguatrem. Even though a centre back, no, who should do me and editor. Yeah, Claud. Now the shooting only shot to shoot as a problem. The Claud shooting Bortey. Kotoko for centre back. And yet optional, and now good and yes, our power. Kotoko would have to get a centre back.
Sure.
The analysis, we've done it over and over again. The fact that Samba is gone, the fact that Ablo in your, the fact that Nyansu in your, Kotoko aka 2 centre backs here, say. So Kotoko will need to have a centre back going forward. Agrona 180. So cross shooting Bortey. I was just Saturday the make say Claud come on house and namu here home. Make say bibiani gold stars hwehwe come we home. And none of pay my fan to just say and I said never my fan to say Adriana Football Club. Ah masha mo preseason ase. Na Adriana omo preseason the second phase. Boss Kumasi for Misha Forestry Park and so.
Yes.
Adriana didn't watch Claud shooting Bortey. A deal no more. Claud shooting Bortey. In fact, met my catcher say, Adriana any ghost stars or enam kwaso aircraft.
Wow.
Kotoko emfa bid bianco. Hiana Kotoko ehia. Kotoko interest no. But official bid, Kotoko aswa bid, Eddie Akon, the payment my catcher say, and happy. Kotoko bid and conclude. We dear me to me at the amount. I was your place,
the original fella man, Richardo Pepe Suarez.
Now, me dear my for no one team on the G League glasses, no more here reinforcement be Brizana.
Some more Africa.
Okay, indeed.
I'm going Champions League.
Because me dear my conclude business pa.
Wow.
Bebre, when you can
wow.
Me catch us a Kotoko epe eche dogly. Me catch us a eche dogly no Kotoko enyaya nka ideally a midfield of eche dogly. Kofi Tompuo and a branch of fancy he be Joe. Omunina age ne ye.
Yeah.
Omunina ni born keresi obi ani born bo. But no kwasam ne say eche dogly no. Last week me catch us wa ben me diema. Me no ka say eche dogly. The unveiling video I already e o me diema takwa.
Wow.
Unveiling video. Eh bia me nim se meka say wie na aba o se be da be ne be ba o. Wo mo aye bibia wi a wo mo e ba be outdoor eche dogly. Pondo Heart of Lions wa. Kabiru say okay Ruben Hennessy on. One ayi na ball 4 and 5 no. Aban no akwa sign e wo Malaysia team ni din ni dey sama ka kiro bebirebe wo ka say Romi Aban no friend phones is just money team ni din a e bi agize china na Ruben Hennessy fantastic center back mediama for no ahwim Ruben Hennessy
wow
e dey aka won players o mo fa o mo no mediama makacho so ma submit a bid of 450,000 Ghana cedis. And the became for Kofi Tompuo 450,000.
4.5 billion.
And I'm there for Kofi Tompuo. Hey, mediama yana Air Solomon Agbasi. One of the Champions League platform no. At the Air Jesenka Solomon. Ebetiasi no be sign at the amom. Mediama was happening. Meno ka say mediama Sporting Club. I'm the president example.
Pepe Suarez.
I'm saying mediama for omuti odin. Omuti say has ne Kotoko e ko home pe.
Love the Champions League.
Oh, no my fast, no my lande. Eti mediama recruitment na mzapani. Kwa nim click. O my hero match say one more ever for players bebrebe. And so ade aba wonum etim num. Sama catch us more former striker. Jonathan Soa. Ono so has in di komoto about mediama di animu a. wɔn ɛyɛ conclude that deal for Jonathan Soa. Now there's a right back. Who's a right back? Wɔn tɔn wɔn deɛ ne de kɔ Ahila.
Yeah.
Kamadi Mahmudu ɛkɔ Ahila. Mene okasa Midiama Sporting Club of Japan. Pando out of Lions right back or ball last season. Midiama eguso mu din komo enche umbewie. Captain Adema Hawa United Football Club Sofiane Osman. Midiama din komo around Sofiane Osman. Omo recruitment no omo ni abre papa coach no. Coach no. Coach at the ding at the Ibrahim Tanko Anyas. As an quine obey no beshi because Nambi or Pebi and Penny for Edemano. Ubusana Nanomdia, Bubusana Nomdiaba. Yeah, she said, Ebsia, and you could at Yama Fantastic. Nations, Africa. Yes. Oba, a Brenako, Maminiemu. Nations, and so a recruitment, and in Yamano, Egusu of Japani, one more Aya Mojuma, Yavabe Mojuma, at Yama Yen. I have for any chief. I bush a penny some jump.
Richard Pepe Suarez, the fella man. Obadi Monia Juma. Ora Biwo, Kenya, say, your friend Mr. Smedu. Was a man from some more Betty say. The man, Smedu, whatever about what you mano, my Yami, in Sharpa, Yuguso. Was it you guys are fantastic? Joseph Nketia Joe, Yadasipi Mo, Yami Shao. Mame na me homra sisia na yenwam ewo amana